magluluto ako ng dinner namin. Naghugas na ako ng kamay ko. Ito yung buong chicken. Lulutuin ko ito ng buo. Ito. Bababad ko muna ito ng 1 cup Sprite. And 1 cup pineapple juice. And half cup of soy sauce. Yan lang, friend. Bababad ko muna ito ng mga 1 hour bago ko ito umpisahan iluto. Babalik ako, friend.
Hi, guys!
Mga friend, balik na kami.
Hi, friend!
Ito, nakahugas na kami ng kamay namin.
It's like this big.
Yeah, we already wash hands.
Yeah.
But before we gonna put this in the stove, we gonna put the
Yeah, that's the
okay.
butt.
We have lemongrass,
Lemongrass,
onion,
onion, and
ginger, garlic.
garlic.
Okay. Now we're gonna put this inside the tummy. Okay. You wanna help me?
Yes.
Okay. Put everything there.
It's not feeling good.
You want me to do it?
No, I got it.
Okay. My grandbaby wanna help me.
Gutom ka?
Okay.
Yan mo yan sila yan. Makulit lang yan. Tignan nyo guys, ito yung...
This is our dinner for tonight.
Yeah. I'm only taking the bread.
Yeah, everything inside the tummy. Okay,
Whoa.
it's okay. Yeah, we're gonna put this lemongrass inside too.
Yeah. What about it's not gonna feel good? What about it's not gonna feel good?
Unlimited tubig
Yeah,
sila dito.
right here.
Ano? Kakatuwaan ng
Oh, put inside, put inside.
kubeta yata nila yun.
Right here. Yeah.
Salamat, baby.
Okay.
Salamat.
Wow.
Kami sa susunod.
Everything is there.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, there's more
Stuck inside. Okay.
stuff inside.
Now we're gonna start cooking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cooking.
We're gonna cover and then we're gonna start cooking.
Yes. Let's go to the stove, guys.
Yeah.
I'll be right here because I don't want to get burned.
Labas na tayo sa highway mo.
No, no.
See you sa susunod.
Okay.
Salamat sa panonood.
See you guys.
Ingat kayo ah.
Andito na.
Dito na. Nandito na.
Nandito na ang aming chicken.
I mean chicken.
Ayan.
Take this out.
Hintayin na lang namin yan na kumulo.
That scared me.
At ilalagay namin yan sa medium heat. Okay.
It's starting.
Maya-mayang kunti. Okay, friend. Ito, maluluto na ito ating chicken. Yan. Luto na siya. Niluto ko ito ng 45 minutes. See. Dagdagan natin ang asin. Yan. Luto na ang chicken. Tingnan natin. Konti pa ang asin. Dagdag lang ng dagdag hanggat gusto mo. Pag okay na sa'yo yung timpla, tapos na, luto na. Ayan. Basta ano yun lang yung panglasa. Tapos na yung panglasa, okay na sa'yo. Yan. At lagyan natin ang black pepper. Yan. Luto na mga friend. Ayan. Lutong luto. Wow. Patayin na natin. Ayan na. Luto na siya. Ito yung buong chicken na may pineapple, juice, and Sprite, and soy sauce. Chicken with pineapple juice. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mga friend, ito na yung chicken with Sprite and pineapple juice.